It's Dip by Friday. Indeed, the best day of the week for me. I can't get enough of it. It is Friday, November 13th, 2020. And we about to make some money today. First of all, as always, I am not giving anyone financial advice. I'm just showing you how I trade and what I look for, and how I attempt to make a job, aka life, aka financial freedom out of trading, day trading stocks, as well as long term and intraday. So my current watch list is in the group, but here's my four that I'm really focused on. HOFV, I put in the group. It has the resistance point at $3. It keep banging $3 and banging back. It topped out 305. I put in NCTY, and it's currently reversing towards the uptrend. Perfect. I put in CBAT since 5 this morning. Been dipping and dropping, dipping and dropping. If you look at it a little bigger, you can see that it's trying to create a head and shoulders, right? It tried to, but it failed. If you look at the NAVB, it's not doing much of nothing right now. I don't like it. You look here yesterday, it was up to 370 and pulled back in the rest of the day doing nothing. So we know by now EV, the electric vehicle sector, has been doing well for a couple weeks now. So EV movements are going to watch, or biopharmaceuticals. So HOFV, NCTY, XPEV, NEO, LI. These are all electric vehicles. CBAC Energy, right? All have news, all movements. Watch here, this view up here on this HOFV is 307. If it pops 307, hold support. We may touch the high today. We got 20 seconds left before the market opens. I'm going to click over here to my trade platform and watch for this move. I'm not going to make a trade more than likely on the first candle. I'm going to wait for a minute and see what happens today. Leave check at 200 shares. My auto send is clicked. Let's see what happens. Damn, they're going to move. I could have bought in right there. See this volume bar building up? Watch it blow through this point. I could have been in right here. Up 20 cents already out. But I'm going to wait for the pullback. I don't want to buy in yet. On these videos, I be killing myself trying to buy in to make content. And I be losing money sometimes doing that foolishness. So I told myself today I'm going to not buy in anymore on these videos until we get the first pullback. So we're going to watch for a minute. Let me go to my charts. Look down here, CBAT. CBAT is about to make this cross, this VWAP right here. I'm going to put in the group. Watch CBAT. Look at that volume bar. Let me go to CBAT. This is my small account, so I'm not going to trade a bunch of shares. I try to keep it at $700 maximum on my trades, my small account. So for anybody who don't have a lot of money to stash away to be day trading with, so I'm logging to my large account looking for a trade. I'm not going to make a trade at all until I see for sure we got some clear movement. I keep an eye usually on the top 3 leading gappers. MGEN is up over 1,000%. Reverse split. UROV is up almost 100%. HOFV 44, 45%. And CBAT 37%. So these are my top 4 I'm watching right now. So I'm looking for this first one here to cross 50%. Then I'm going to really hover in and watch it. I'm on my cell phone for a second watching. All right, so CBAT is not doing much, nothing. Here we go. I think I spoke too fast. Let's look at the 1 minute. Let me look at the 5-day, 15-minute chart. It's about to reverse right here. Big picture, right? We popped this 555, 560 mark. We got room for movements. The 5-day, 5-minute. VWAP is still 553, right? It's showing a bullish move. It's showing a reversal. The 1-day, 1-minute is pulling back. See difference? Dark green, pull back. I like looking at the 5-day, 5-minute. That's my preferred time frame to look at. We need pop 555 for a buy-in point. Let's watch 556. Here we go. I missed the buy-in. I was looking at my daggone cell phone. I missed the freaking buy-in, y'all. Let's look over here. I missed the buy-in. God dang it. I missed the buy-in. But I ain't gonna chase it. Watch for the pullback. You go to pullback. They go to pullback. It's vicious. That pullback is real. Don't chase stocks. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't freaking do it. I'm watching for the pullback before I buy in. I'm not in anything yet. I haven't traded anything. So I'm watching this pullback before I do anything. Here we go. We're gonna need this candle right here to pass this previous one or top this. Let's go for a quick run. Let me go to 5-minute chart for a quick run. Now when it fell on me. Go figure. We good though. Cause see this candle here? It's making a new high. We blow past this 575 point. We topping the high today. Let's go. Here comes some buyers right here. It's one a quick 50 cents, so I'm looking for $6. 9 million shares being traded. 66 million share float. HOFV. Let's go. Make this move. We gonna blow past $6. It's about to pop it. I'm watching right here before I get out on it. I want 50 cents. However, if I don't get 50 cents, then so be it. Let's go. We looking good here. We're looking good here. Come on, we need one big buyer. One big buyer to blow us past this. There we go. Come on. This next point. 614, 615. Good. Go, go, go. Here comes some buyers trying to short sell it. Sellers, rather. But we still looking good here. We looking powerful right here. We A1. I want 50 cents. Can we get it? Let's see. $6. Remember, half-dollar marks are always going to be big resistance points. Never forget that. Profit taking happening right now. Look up here. See these gold sellers up here? They hovering the high today. When that happens, you know they are in it way too deep. And they have to hold it to get their money back. We up, what, 20 cents right now? I need 30. Well, hopefully 50. I'm going to hop out next time. It's double tapping right now. See that point? You're double tapping that point. Let me draw this line. That's my next sell point. If it hits that again, I'm getting out of it. We're up 42% right now. What FSR on my cell phone is making the move. Come on, hit that point. All right, let's go. Yeah, it's fading on me. But it's the third leading gap in the day. So people are watching it. They're just not trading it right now. Next move up, I'm out because it don't want to hold support. So the next move up, I'm gonna hop out of it. I could have hopped out 25, 26 bucks. Sometimes you take what the stock gives you. But in this situation, the stock is looking good. See this line? Not line. We're gonna say bright greenish bluish line. See how this is VWAP? It curved up. Now it's leveling off. You want it to curve up. When it curve up, it's gonna be the move you want. And now it's fading. You want this point here. I'm gonna wait for this point here before I sell. So pull back right here, profit taking. Sellers piled up allowing the axis. Right, they up here 670 waiting for that sell point, which is the high today. We got some bag holders, so they're gonna run it back up. Let me see. I'm in FSR. Let me come off this for a minute. Let me see where we at. CBAT. I'm in CBAT. Sorry about that, y'all. Allergies. I'm in CBAT at 522 for a run, possibly to 555, 560. I'm in FSR at 1720. And here we are on CBAT on the right. I'm in the 1720 for a sell target right now is 1770. Let's see what happens. NCTY. Damn, allergies kicking my butt. All right. I could have hopped out back here. I didn't do it. When you see a stock that runs up and it's weak, it's not moving through the points you want to move to weekly. It goes up and it fades. It goes up and it fades. As you're watching it live, that's telling you, hey, get out of it because it's not looking too well. In this case, did it a couple times. I wanted that point to reach right here, so didn't sell it. When I saw it fail the first time, I was like, okay, cool. Let me get out of stock next time I hit this point. It didn't hit that point again. It pulled back. So right now, we in the consolidation point was taking profits. Is it gonna make another run again? on this next candle probably, that's gonna be the sell point. We're gonna watch it. I'm in at 556. So right now, I'm down what 14 cents, but I wanted 50 cents. But look on the left right here, the third gap of the day, leading gap of the day. 12 million shares being traded, 66 million share float, which is too high. I hate it being that high, but it is. But it's hovering around 50% trading. HOFV, it's a Hall of Fame resort. Why it's so high? Who knows? Meanwhile, NCTY over here, 275, still doing what it do. FSR, Fisker, EV sector, is ready to explode again. Let me go to the group. And we're gonna look at this right quick for this move on FSR. Take what the market gives you. If it gives you $20, take $20. If it gives you $30, take $30. Don't force your own points. FSR, NCTY, HOFV. Here comes Solo. Let's watch Solo. Keep an eye on Solo. Damn, average is kicking my butt, man. All right, Solo's in the group. We're gonna hop in at 615 for a scalp to 640 on Solo. What up? Hold up. Not yet. Still pulling back. Damn allergies, man. Bust my head. Pardon the allergy. There we go. 606. I'm in Solo. Top right. Sell 630. Six 22, 17, 16, 532, 620. Draw a line up here on top at 650. You go to support point right here, channel. There go channel over there. Same with FSR. High today, 64. Channel is going to be back here, right there, 1634. And over here, support. And up here, HOFV is doing nothing. We'll draw it anyway. High today, 378. And then the next point, 327. And support. And support way back here. That's terrible. See, there it is. SOLO. I just drew the line. Let's see. And it's in the group as well, so we traded it. Good stuff. Should make some money off it, at least 20-30 cents off it. 1,000 shares, $300, right? It's about a pop 655. Watch $7 on solo. Alright, so far in my large account, I've traded CBAT, CBAT, and I've also traded solo. I'm in NCTY, but I don't like how it's looking. Let me look at NCTY one more time. Where we at? NCTY, NCTY. NCTY is pulling back, so I'm in NCTY for oh yeah, what I get in there? 276. That's not my trade price. Wait a minute. 266 NCTY. It's looking terrible though. We're gonna watch this price right here at 2. Here comes CBAT again on this move. Pop this 550 area. We got room to run. I'm gonna click on it in a second. I'm in it in my small account, as you guys know. Look at NAVB. I'm already out solo, so I can put changes up here. NAVB. I like it. NAVB. For move to 320. Move to 320 NAVB. NAVB, NAVB. NAVB for a move to 320. All right. That's also in the group. Okay, so I'm texting you guys in the group. I'm trading my long-term account, large account rather, and I'm also trading my small account. So I got my hands kind of full. 320 window right there. I drew the line. Support right there. Drew. This channel is still riding. This channel is still consolidation. I'm selling. I'm gonna pop this 555 area. My log back onto it and make myself my small account. We need a couple of buyers to pop in. Level 2, I put it right there. You can see what's going on. Any stock I trade, as I'm on my chart, watching my stocks, I put on whatever I'm in, I put on level 2 so I can watch the level 2 at the same time I'm trading it. So I already see what's going on. Here could have move here. Watch. Here could have move here. There you go. All right. Take what it gives you. Don't force nothing. Take what it gives you. So this is the point now. It won't break. We're going to draw a line there. We break that. Then we get next that point. Then that point. You see what's going on here? We're faking out down here, right? For movements. What you could do is you could put in a trading stop, 10 cents, 15, whatever you want to do, 20 cents, and it'll move and sell for you. That way you ain't got to watch it. But because I'm doing a video, I want my account information exposed, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to just watch it live and trade while I'm on video. Right now I'm 4 cents down. Here come the green. Here go the bull RSI reversal. We want that. We blow through this point. We got room to run to pop these two lines here. Find support. Find support. Blow through this. Here comes some buyers. Remember up here on the right, got ghost sellers all up and down the axis. Ghost sellers meaning somebody's sitting there for right now to fake you out if you're a new trader, and you like get to that point close to it, you'll take away your buy order so it don't blow through it because you're scared somebody's gonna sell it for underneath you. You know what I mean? Let me see what we do right here. Let me go to 1 minute chart before I sell. Oh, look at that, man. So I'm going to sell in the 1 minute chart. I buy usually 5 minute. I'm going to sell the 1 minute chart. I'm going to hover over this right here. Blow through this 573 area. We got room. It's failing. Sellers. See that? I got out of it. It was a 23,000 share seller sitting right here at 573. I hopped out of it. Gotta watch that stuff. See what happens? So 16 bucks. So on that's terrible. On a 5, 10, 15, 20 minute trade, which is way too long. I bought originally 100 shares at 556, which was, you know, $556. But I only made $16. Sometimes you can't get everything the market should offer. Doesn't happen all the time. Look at Solo. You take what they give you. Take what the market gives you. Don't force the issue. Solo. Where we at? FSR. That's terrible. It's gonna fail. Look at Solo. My lines I drew earlier, right on through it. That's crazy. I could have held a little longer in my small account. Look here. But I don't trust it no more. So AYRO in my large account. Get out of that. I'm gonna hop in Solo. I'm already in Solo. Already traded it once. Might trade it again. Let me see the Solo trade right here. Done. Then we go to CBAT. My large account, I've already traded AYRO, CBAT, and Solo. I'm actually in FSR right now. My sell point was 18 bucks. Sorry, 17.50. For some reason, I don't want to act right. So because of that, you know what? Let me change my sell order on my FSR. Take it from 18 bucks to 17.75. 17.70. No, let me see. Take a look at this right quick. Look at that. It's gonna pop this 575 mark. But at this point, I took what it gave me. I can hop back in my large account and make another move, but as far as small account goes, I took what it gave me. Oh, we good right there. 17.75. All right, where we at right here? Let me hop back in CBAT on my large account for move to $6. Gonna pop 610, 612, 612. It's in the group. CBAT about to blow $6. I'm gonna put in the group as well my large trade in my large account, as well as, well, post a video of this small trade. So I'm looking over here on the right, bottom right, FSR. I want to sell at 1775. If you look down here, you can see it wants to make that move up past this high point. So we looking like we got some the RSI looking, rephrase that, parallel, meaning acceleration. The MACD is light green bullish, level 2. Not many buyers coming in. I'm in here at 1725 or something like that, 1720. But I want to sell at 1775. So I might take the profit on that in my large account, and it's going by my business. Let me go back on my large account again. You see down here at the bottom here, you can see these green buyer volume bars. So the buyers are there. Here we go. There we go. 67, 70. I want 75. You gonna get it or what? You gonna get 75 or what? What we gonna do here? 69, 70. Give me 75. I'll give it a couple seconds more, see what happens. If they don't give it to me, I'm gonna hop out of it. Here we go. 70 resistance point. Every 10 resistance, but $half are huge resistance points. 74, 1 cent off. Go figure. 1 day on a cent. Man, it better not fail either. It better not fail. There we go, 75. All right, I'm out FSR at 1775. So that's going in the group too. I called 18 earlier in the group. If you're looking there, you see it. I just put in the group 19 bucks around the corner on this FSR. So if you hop in the FSR for that $19 rod, it's around the corner for you. If you grab it, you grab it. It's looking very powerful. Look down here in the bottom right at the level 2. lot of sellers coming in trying to short it. So as you can see though, the buyers coming in as well, but more sellers than buyers. So trying to short it. Meanwhile, look up here, this CBAT. $6 about to pop it. It's in the group as well. I put in the group. Solo is way oversold. I mean, overbought rather. So it's imminent to pull back. Go back here. I'm out of already. FSR, not so much oversold. But Solo definitely is. Where we at? Where we at? Where we at? In my CBAT. CBAT. No. Solo W. No. Alright, this video has been, what, 35 minutes right now? Yeah, longer than I like it to be. But I'm kind of into something right now. I'm into some trades. I want to watch them live on the screen and my cell phone as well. So once this CBAT pops $6 again, I'm gonna end the video. It's in the group, so if you see it, it's in the group. Just kind of here to decide what it does. It's kind of here fails and we have problems. $95, $92. See, it failed. I might hop in Solo again. This pullback up here. Look up top. See this 5-day, 15-minute? On this pullback right here, I'm gonna hop in again in my large account. So looking at a $7 buy-in point. Where we at? Where we at? Not at anything on the screen, so. Let me put this in the group. Solo. Solo. $7 opportunity. All right, where we at? 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 PLTR. Not in that no more, so PLTR moving along. PLTR. Level 2. PLTR. It's in the group now. So keep an eye on that. Trade it how you choose to, but I'm putting PLTR in the group. And I can put all these buy-in points. You can pretty much try to find on your own. But $17 look like it want to pop that. It's too close to that point. So I might hop in for a couple of cents right quick. Myself for running 16.15. NPOTR at 15.73 for a quick run of 16.15. Why choose that point? Simple. You look right here. Let me go backwards. I'm done my trade. You see $16.09. See, I got out right here somewhere. Why didn't show my trade? Let me go in the 5-day. There we go. So, big picture. I hopped in right here. 556.92. Hopped out the first 15-minute green candle. Right? Smaller picture is I hopped in right here. First green candle make a new high. I hopped out on the retrace. Right there. So $16.09. Only traded 100 shares. So I ended up buying at 556. So I didn't even make my 10% that I like to get so often. However, hold on, y'all. 3.5%, 4%. That's what I made on it. Come on now, act right. That pullback vicious. I'm gonna end this video at 10:15. That'll be 50 minutes, which is a lot longer than I like making videos. But because I want to show you something, I'm gonna leave it here. Look at last 180-day 4-minute chart. I think it was $17 on the 12th yesterday. Today was a pullback, retrace, big picture. See right here? There go a shoulder, pull back. There go a head. Could it be a head and shoulders forming? If it is, the top point is already reached. Right? Looking at a man or person, this would be the left side of their body, left shoulder. By looking at it, right? This would be the head, be the right shoulder. Make sense? Okay. I hope so. 5-day 15-minute chart is showing you that we are currently, see this, right? This line here, VWAP line, is curved straight upwards. So we know by now, whenever the VWAP pops up like that, the price runs with it usually. Look right here. Came in and exploded. Came in, exploded. It popped up to there, but it pulled back, right? 5-day, 5-minute. Let me make it a little smaller so you can see a little big picture. Yesterday, price opened up high. It dumped the rest of the day. Today, opened up high. So do the same thing maybe. Dump. Right? That's a shoulder. I'm actually done trading for the day in my large account. So I put the numbers in the group. I want $6 to pop right here in this stock. I'm long out of it, as you know, because it's indecisive. Remember, you can't force what you want it to do. It's going to do what it's going to do. If you knew everything about stock trading, you'd have every trade correctly. So sometimes you might want 20, 30, 40%. But other times you may not get it. You may get sometimes. Other times you may not get it at all. You may get 5%, or 2%, or 3%. And when that happens, just hop in and hop out of it. Take your little 16 bucks or so and run. You know, green is green, right? Big picture. So 22 trading days in a month. Say you only make $20 in trading a day, right? Out of those 22 trading days a month, that's 440 bucks for a lot of households. That pays your auto insurance, maybe a car payment, maybe some groceries, maybe, right? Maybe a bill like electric bill, a water bill, a cable bill, who knows? So every little bit counts. You may look at it as the fact that you want this $1,000 a day or $10,000 a day. It's possible. Make this trade scalable. So say I traded CBAT, the same stock. Let me go to a bigger screen. Rather than 100 shares here, say I bought 1,000 shares. And I bought the same point, sold the same point. I'm up 160. You follow me? Say I bought 10,000 shares. Bought this point, sold that point. Of 1,600 bucks. So it's scalable. Say I bought only 10 shares. Bought here, sold there. That's only $1.60. Not a lot. The point I'm making to you is if I trade any stocks, usually it's 100 shares or more. In my small account, to get videos, it's 100, 200. Sometimes I might go to 1,000, but that's rare. I can right now, but I didn't do that. In my large account, I'm at the between large account, 2 to 10,000 shares is what I trade my large account. Average share size about 5,000 shares. The problem with trading a lot of shares is this: the more shares I trade, the more when I sell it, it's going to pull it back. If I buy 10,000 shares, price may jump up a couple cents, 10, 15, 20 cents, right? But when I sell, it reverses. It drops down 10, 15, 50, 25 cents. So because I put down sell market, don't mean it's going to sell at the market price. It's a FIFO method, first in, first out, right? So if you here first and I'm here after you, you got to go first. So you sell, you go down. By taking it to me, I'm down here somewhere. So I'm down 10, 15 cents. Which is why I don't buy a lot of shares, because the more shares you buy, the more shares you're going to end up losing when you sell. The more profit you can sell. Like this case, 100 shares. I watched it live and I was trading the video. I saw it pop that 1573 mark. And I saw a 200,000 share trader sitting there. I saw that. I hopped out immediately. Sell market. Now if I had 1,000 shares, it wouldn't have sold there. It would have sold probably 572, 571, who knows what. If I had 10,000 shares, it probably sold 569, 565, who knows what. The point I'm making to you is, the more shares you buy, yes, the more money you make, but when you sell it, it can drop this price significantly, especially with a small float. So if I trade a stock like MGen with only a 4.5 million share float, if I bought 10,000 shares now, I done bought freaking 4% of the float. So it's going to jump up. But I sell, going to do the same thing, it's going to dump on me, right? UROV, trash, reverse split. Ain't buying that. Solo W, it moved with Solo this morning. Solo here, Solo W. As it moved up, Solo W. CBAT, same thing it's doing all day, right? I like holding trades more than 5 to 10 minutes. After that, I get nervous. In this case, I held the stock for 15 minutes. It's way too long. SOL, a play on Solo. A lot of times, stock trade, you see something that has a name similar to what you're trading, it'll roll because they think it's the same stock, and it really ain't. Like SOL, SOLOW, and SOLO aren't the same stocks. However, people just see that SOL in front of it and assuming that's one same stock or the same company. That's not it. All right, with that being said, I'm calling it a day. Take my little 3%, little 16 bucks what it was, and run. You see here, so I sold up here. It did one move and it pulled back. Nothing. Y'all have a good weekend. Uncheck my auto send. One trade away.